everyone, how is it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to contact BDO customer service. Now, if your issue is reporting a lost or stolen card, then what you need to do is call this number, which is 8888-0000, and you need to report your lost or stolen card only to this number. But if you have any concern regarding digital banking, your credit card status, remittance request, and other BDO products, then what you need to do is head over to Facebook and search for BDO Unibank and then chat with them through Messenger. But if your issue is like handling phishing reports, online banking enrollment, or updating or registered of like online banking contact information of overseas client, then you can email them on this number, on this email, which is callcenter@bdo.com.ph. and yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.